They did a very commendable job. They were centered around Barawe. That's where the area of responsibility was. And the new battle group that are coming in, battle group 17, will exactly move to Barawe and get over the responsibility of conducting these security operations, making sure that the main supply route remain open. It is very crucial that the main supply route, it is for both the AMISOM personnel and the people of Somalia, so that they continue with their day-to-day duty uninterrupted. I do hope that the incoming Battle Group 17, since they're still pressed from training, I have high hope that they are going to perform even much better than the battle group now rotating out. It is a duration. It's quite a long duration. And so many things could have happened back there. Don't listen to people. Many people are there to tell you a lot of story that may break your heart. But all up. Napiga asante sana kwa nyinyi yote kwa kazi ambao umekusamaliza kufanya kwa AMISOM. It was almost a year ago when you left Singu for this very important mission. You started with step 1. You have covered 1,000 kilometers, and today you're making the last step. I don't have much to tell you, but what I would wish to tell you that when you reach back home, please maintain the discipline that has seen all of you finish this mission successfully. Ile kitu iko tayari hewani, tutegemea saa 2. Pole, fika salama.
Warrant Officer 1 to...
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good. Fika salama. Are you going today?
No.
Okay.